Welcome again. Today we will revise our civics lesson 1 understanding diversity. And in this section we will revise very some important point. Those are the conclusion of this chapter and you have to understand these parts very carefully and these are first one is difference, prejudice, creating stereotypes, inequality and discrimination. And these parts are important for you to understand, to learn this chapter carefully. Means these parts are basic conclusion of your civics lesson 1, so you have to understand this carefully. So first is difference means diversity in India. Okay, so what is we have already read this chapter in previous video, and today we will only revise this. And so difference means the difference in India, means there are lots of kinds of difference between the people in India. So one of them is the diversity, which because of the difference India is a. So why India is diverse, why there is difference here in India? Because there are 8 major religion in the world and all of them are practiced in India. So this is the religion diversity. So there are total 8 major religion and all of them are practiced in India, and this is the diverse culture in India. You know that India is a big country, है ना? But and here civilization is around 6,000 year old, and still India has given birth to the world's most important cultures and religions, and it has also accepted different culture in the world, and people of many races have came to India and settled here, है ना? And the people of many races came here and they settled here, and that's why India has observed different faiths, cults, beliefs, sects, religious languages, manners, lifestyle, etc. And unity and synthesis are the embodiment of Indian culture. So and that lots of kinds of people from the other parts of the country came to India and they settled here. That's why you can see that we have more than 1600 languages here, and there are more than 100 dance forms, and all of these are influenced both by geography and history. So that's why our India is a diverse country. ठीक है, तो इंडियाज फंडामेंटल यूनिटी रेस्ट अपॉन हर पेक्यूलियर टाइप ऑफ कल्चर, and there is no single character or aspect that can be defined as culture. It is expressed through language, literature, regional philosophy, custom, traditions and architecture. India has achieved cultural unity by fusion of many cultures because lots of people came in India and they settled here, and India has assimilated the good qualities from all cultures. Various culture groups live side by side in India, and this has made Indian society a multicultural society. Okay, India is a multicultural society. Okay students, and in India, people of different region live together. Hence, India has a multi-religious society. Beside Hinduism, other religion like Christianity, Islam, Sikhs, Buddhism, and Jainism have a large following in India. According to 2001 census, Hinduism, other religions like Christianity, Islam, Sikh, Buddhism, and Jainism have a large following in India. According to 2001 census, Hinduism is practiced by अगर हम देखें तो हिंदुइज्म इज प्रैक्टिस बाय मोर देन 80.4%. okay, and people they are 13.4% मुस्लिम, ये मुस्लिम परसेंटेज है. क्रिश्चियंस आर 1.8% and 6, and the rest of the people follow Buddhism, Jainism and other religions. So India is famous for religious festival, Hindu festival like Diwali. So the difference here is the diversity in India is because of its difference. So 8 major religions in the world and all of them are in practice in India. That's why here diversity है ना. And more, we have more than 600 languages. There are more than 100 dance forms. So that's why we can say that our India is diverse. Have our India have lots of diversities. So students, next important term of this chapter is prejudice. So the terms stereotype, prejudice, discrimination and racism are often used interchangeably in every बड़ी conversation. आप लोगों ने भी सुना होगा. Let us explore the difference between those concepts. So prejudice means इसके लिए हम to judge other people negatively and see them as inferiors. So for example, if we think English is the best language and other languages are not important, we are judging these other languages negatively. So this is the an example of prejudice. So basically, prejudice refer to the beliefs, thought, and feelings, attitude someone holds about a group. A prejudice is not based on experience. Instead, it is prejudgment or or originating outside actual experience. Okay, so this is the meaning of prejudice. And while prejudice is not necessarily specific to race, racism is a stronger type of prejudice used to justify the belief that one racial category is somehow superior or inferior to other. तो मतलब ये basically people के religious belief, colors of their skin, region they come from and accent they speak, इसके basis पे लोगों में जो difference किया जाता है, तो उसको because of the prejudice we don't form friendship at times. We may even act in way that hurt them. So this is a मतलब जो हम difference करते हैं, that feeling is the prejudice. Okay, the means the for the example is other type of racism as much more difficult to perceive. Institutional racism refer to the way in which racism is embedded in fabric or society. Means the racism as the racism मतलब आप लोगों ने society में देखा होगा, people people discriminate people according to their religious belief, according the color of their skins and the region they come from and accent they speak in and clothes they wear. And because of this they discriminate some people, and because of the prejudice we don't form friendship with them. You also have sometimes you also have experienced this, and how that we hurt their feeling and we may even act in way that hurt them. Okay, so this is the meaning of the prejudice, and you have to understand this because this is also a foundation and a kind of bad thing if we are seeing India as a democratic country and a diverse country. So we have to respect its every part and every social beliefs, religious beliefs. So this is not a good thing to discriminate someone according to their racism, to their colorism, and in other kind of prejudice in which some beliefs one degree of skin tone is superior to or inferior to another within a racial group. Studies suggest that darker skinned African American experience more discrimination than lighter skinned African American. So this is the creating of prejudice in the mind of the people, and the difference. As I earlier told you, the difference which we can see in India are a thing to be to pride. We have to pride on the diversity of India, but sometimes we started discriminating them, and this is the prejudice. Okay, and creating stereotypes is the next topic. Creating stereotypes. So stereotypes means हम कुछ अपने मन में कुछ stereotypes बना लेते हैं, and that's are not good for a healthy society. For example, अगर हम लोग देखें people make some stereotypes, like they give some statement to, और आप लोगों ने भी सुना होगा घर पे, this statement from your parent that don't cry, you are a boy are brave, they don't cry. So this is a stereotype. Boys are brave but still they feel pain, they have emotion, they can cry. Okay, and when we fix people into one image we create a stereotypes, and we fit all boys and all girls into an image that society creates around us. So this is a kind of stereotype, means जो कि कुछ हम लोग बना लेते हैं, that when we are using stereotype, when we use term words such as country, region, sex, race, economic background, and other terms like stingy, lazy, criminal, or dumb. This is the stereotypes. All these word terms are associated with stereotype, like this is the black, this is the white. So this is a negative feeling and this is not good for a healthy society. Creating stereotypes means पहले ही किसी के बारे में कुछ अपने माइंड में कुछ फीलिंग्स या कुछ जजमेंटल ओपिनियन क्रिएट करना, दैट इज़ द स्टीरियोटाइप्स जजमेंट. सो जिसमें कि हम वी teach our children sometime wrong things, that so we have not be judgmental at a time. So this is the meaning of the word stereotype. Stereotype is also a kind of the if we are making stereotype opinion, that this also increase the discrimination in the society and this is not healthy for a society. Okay, so now students, you can understand that what is stereotype. Okay, so one another example of stereotype is demerits of stereotypes. तो stereotypes के demerits क्या हो सकते हैं? It stops us from looking at each person as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities, all skills that are different from others. So students, we all have some different skills and different qualities, but because of this stereotype thinking, we make them feel them someone inferior, someone good. But because of this, looking at each other person as a unique individual, it is not a good thing to make people stereotype. So what is the demerits of stereotype is, first one is it stops us from looking at each person as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities and skills and that are different from others and affect all of us, as they prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at, and it fit large number of people into only one pattern of type. Okay, so मतलब ये इससे because of the stereotypes feelings, this make our thinkings very narrow. So stereotypes can be based on race, ethnicity, and age, gender, and they may be positive, usually about one's own group, such as when women suggest they are less likely to complain about physical pain, but are often negative, usually words other groups, such as when member of dominantal racial group suggest that are subordinate racial group in stupid or lazy. So these are some stereotypes of words that people use. And the physical challenge children with disabilities with earlier were known for the term disabled. This term has been changed and now the term used is children with special needs. Okay, so because this word disabilities also create a thinking of stereotype disabled. We cannot say someone disabled. So that's why this term has been changed and now the term used in children with special needs. Okay, now inequality and discrimination happen when people act on their prejudice or stereotype. Okay, तो लोगों के दिमाग में mind में there are some prejudice and some stereotypes, and because of this prejudice and stereotypes they act and they make difference, and because of this discrimination happen. Okay, so we have to do something to put other people down and to stop people from taking part in मतलब what is the situation created inequality or discrimination. अगर हम लोग सोसाइटी में इसको बढ़ा देंगे इनइक्वालिटी को, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को, तो इससे क्या क्या इसके जो है वो बैड इफ़ेक्ट्स होंगे. दैट इज़ फर्स्ट वन इज़ डू समथिंग टू पुट अदर पीपल डाउन. वी विल ऑलवेज ट्राई टू पुट अदर पीपल्स डाउन and stop people from taking part in certain activities and taking up jobs. All these conditions are discriminatory in nature. Stop people from living in certain neighborhood and prevent people from taking water from the same sources. Okay, तो जिस वजह से सोसाइटी में बहुत सारे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आ जाएंगे. दैट्स वाई बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजुडाइज एंड स्टीरियोटाइप फीलिंग. So one way of discrimination, people who are poor experience discrimination in office, in hospital, school, etc. And two-way discrimination means some people are both poor and culturally not valued. Example, tribal. Okay, so students, I already have completed this chapter in previous video, but I made this video for the revision purpose. I hope you understand this topic clearly by this video.